Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So we will begin with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display and brightness. Here, as you can see, we've got the eye comfort option, so let's tap on it, and let me first of all turn it off. Okay, so as you can see right now the schedule is turned off, the eye comfort is turned off, so in order to actually customize it we have to turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so it's the best mode to use if you're the night owl and you like to for example read something at night. So here you can schedule that feature. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on custom, and as you can see you can manually pick the turn on and off time. It's up to you, of course. Just tap on it, and here by swiping pick the one you'd like to set, something like that for example, and save. As you can see, the screen immediately turns back to its normal state. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me turn it off. Okay. So under it we've got other ways to customize it. So we've got the screen color temperature. By using this switcher we can change the intensity. So right now it is on the coolest settings, so by going to the right we can make it much warmer. Trust me, it's almost orangish. So of course set it just like you want to. I will stick maybe with this option. And under it you've got the display effects. So currently we've got the color option, which means that of course the screen will be yellow or amber, but the colors will be displayed. So for example this green one on the switcher, or we can set it black and white just by tapping on it, and as you can see everything will be monochromatic. Everything will be displayed in black, gray and white colors. So it's of course up to you. I think I will stick with the color. So basically this is the whole customization of this mode. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, just unroll the top bar. That's not what I wanted to do, really. Unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, and here we have to find the proper icon, which is probably not here. Yeah, I cannot find it, but no worries. All you have to do if you also cannot find the eye comfort mode is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's here find in the more functions the eye comfort, which is right here as you can see. So basically all we have to do is to simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to this section. Place it where you want to and just go back. And now, as you can see, we can find eye comfort, which is of course right now turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it and turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.